Hello everyone, is WhatsApp showing that your device storage is almost full? Message on your Android phone? Don't worry. Here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check phone storage. Go to Settings, Storage, and check how much free space is available on your phone. Step 2. Remove unwanted files. Delete unnecessary photos, videos, screenshots, and download files to free up space. Step 3. Clean WhatsApp storage. Open WhatsApp, Settings, Storage, and Data. Manage storage. Delete large files and unwanted media. Step 4. Remove unused apps. Delete apps that you no longer use to create more free space. Step 5. Empty the downloads folder. Open the Files app and delete unnecessary files from the downloads folder. Step 6. Restart your phone. Restart your phone and open WhatsApp again. Final tip, keep some free storage on your phone, help your WhatsApp work properly. And that's it. These steps should help fix the WhatsApp your device storage is almost full problem on Android. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.